Hi, I'm James Fitzgerald. I'm the founder at OPEX. Welcome to Energy System Training on the assault bike. Big reason why I'm doing this is to not only to share information around how to use the assault bike within energy system training, is for people to extract the importance of proper program design and also extract a whole bunch of principles around how to really just do training most appropriately. Throughout the course, you're going to get a tremendous amount of detail on both of those areas so that either you're a user or you're going to be prescribing it to other people. You'll have a better understanding around energy system training on the bike. This is the intro. I'm going to take you through a little bit of a history around the bike and how we came to be where we are today with its usage, which is prolific really within the fitness industry today. Kinematics just basically means some of the setup and how things are working when you're on the bike. So that no matter who you are, again, as a user or a coach, giving it to someone, you can kind of understand some of those pieces behind it, because that really leads into understanding fatigue and the next area, which is what limits the ability for people to do work. And if we figure out what limits the ability for people to do work, we can generally work on those things, ironically, to be able to increase their capacity or increase whatever they want to do on the bike. Okay? And then an introduction on energy system training, which will be followed by giving you a concept of what we call OPEX gain, pain, and sustain, or just the three areas of energy system training, more eloquently called gain, pain, and sustain. And in each of those areas, both for what OPEX is for gain, pain, sustain with the assault bike, and mixed modal, pain and sustain on the assault bike, we'll go through concepts of how to assess it with the assault bike, how to train it, and also an avatar example, which basically means an implementation strategy so you can take it. And if you understand then the principles around those energy system concepts, put it into practice, you'll kind of start to see what we're talking about, only what you're going to be getting from these videos. And then last 2 points to discuss where the assault bike may fit into sport. And the problem areas you're going to get into by using it in specificity, the possible positives of generalization of its use within training. If we just want to think about it, there's no, as of yet, world champion or world championships on the assault bike itself. Therefore, you can see that it's probably going to be in a training concept for sport, and we want to talk about that, where it's going to fit in best and where it's probably out. And then lastly, an outro to kind of give you a summary of what we went over, and then to make sure that you know where to go to keep in touch with what OPEX is doing and how we're sharing energy system training with the world, and also how you could use the assault bike, within your training program.